am Miss Moses Lake, Annalise Esherwood, and I am here with Miss Roswell, Kelsey Johnston.
Hello.
And we are on one massive road trip all the way from Roswell, New Mexico to Moses Lake, Washington. It is one heck of a road trip. It is about 1,600 miles, and under normal circumstances would take about 24 to 25 hours. But with the snow, because Kelsey was genius enough to decide to move and cross the country in the middle of December, so with the snow and Kelsey's wrong turns.
Okay, wait a minute. I was driving, she had the map.
Whatever. She's always gonna have some excuse. So, the point is that this has turned into one massive road trip. We are on day 4. But, you know, I have come to have a real appreciation for a very, very special young woman. And she, you know, I've been really blessed to have her sitting next to me for the bulk of this trip. And you know, I want to say my deep appreciation to Queen Verde. With her flowing green hair and perfect crown. You know, I want to be just like her when I grow up. And the world peace she has brought into this car
Throughout our trip.
I'm not sure we would be alive without her. So I just dedicate this trip to her royal Queen Verde with the flowing green hair. Thank you.